guys, good morning. It's me again, Daisy. Don't mind my face. I just woke up, though it's past 12 in the afternoon, and I just woke up. You know what I mean? So I just finished my first semester exam yesterday, and so I need to rest from the sleepless night of reading, sorting assessment, and all that. So this morning, when I came back yesterday from school after my exam, I met stuff that I ordered on eBay at my doorstep. So I want to unbox the one that is very important to me for you guys, and to encourage someone who just relocated to the UK and they don't know how to go about getting their skincare routine and toiletry stuff. Because you know, coming down to UK from my country, Nigeria, and some other places you might have come from, you know, at the airport there are restrictions to things that you can bring on flights. I mean, so all I could do then was bring just one perf out of all my collection, because I don't want them to be seized and head back from me at the airport. So I took the one that I like best out of them all, with the hope that someday I will come across them or something similar in the UK. But I came in one fit. But let me show you the perf. This is it. If you know this perf, it's unisex perf, and I love it. It's an Arabian perf, and the name is what? Ramz Lattafa. There are a lot of good review about this Ramz Lattafa on the YouTube, in case you want to check. It's your perf on the YouTube. If your perf is not on the YouTube, you are not yet a big girl, okay? So this is the one I bought, and as you can see, since January, guys, I've been managing it because I don't want to run out of it and at the end of the day discover that I cannot lay my hands on it again, or I had to wait till someone is coming from Nigeria to get it for me. So because of that, I was just using my faith, like, okay, let me be managing it, blah blah blah, you know, because my kind of person, once, even while in school, I remember I was addicted to one perf like that. At times for me, perf is not about the price or the money, but guys, once I love the smell, oh my god, if I spray it, I just that you guys will not perceive it, I would have sprayed for you to know what I'm talking about. For those that have used this, they will know it's actually cool. It's not like it's cheap, but it's not like expensive like that. So there are a lot of review on it on YouTube. So to cut the long story short, so there was a day I was in a conversation with someone, and the person was talking about perf and all that, and asked what kind of perf do I use, and I showed the person what I look at it. I said, see, don't judge this perf by this bottle, because there is a whole lot about this perf, and if you try it out. So the person that went on, I referred the person to YouTube and Google. The person was like, wow, this perf has gotten a lot of review. And one good thing about this perf, this is the silver, there's the gold, and there's different mix of it. But I prefer this one because this is the one I've used, and I feel like, okay, I love this perf. And the person was like, oh, but you're in the UK now, why don't you just check eBay? So that is where I'm going. At times, express your thoughts, you know, share ideas, share your feelings with people. You never can tell which idea will be useful for your life, okay? So when I decided to share the idea, and the person was like, check up on eBay. So I was like, okay, eBay. So since then, it's been at the back of my mind that I'm definitely going to try it out. So immediately I opened an eBay account, because it was only Amazon that I've been you know, using before. So immediately I opened eBay account, and guys, guess what? I found my perf. Not just this, I found the gold, I found the silver. I'm like, oh my god, this is where I'll be. And one good thing about eBay is this perf came yesterday, Friday, 28th of April, and I ordered for this perf on the 25th. I think just 3 days interval, and I got it at my doorstep yesterday when I came back. So one good thing about this thing is I went there and I saw my perf. So since then I had it at the back of my mind that I'm definitely going to buy it. So something happened early this week, and that made me want to order something on eBay, and immediately I remembered, oh, my perf, because I just don't want to order just one thing. So I'm like, oh, let me add my perf. And this week too, I went to Sainsbury to get I think on Monday, yeah, to get a Neta card. So with Neta card, guys, you know what Neta card is? You can always have so I linked my Neta card to my eBay because I found out that eBay is one of the online stores where you can gain points using your Neta card. So I linked them up, and so for every £1 I spend on eBay, I get a point of Neta card, which I can reclaim back at Sainsbury or any other shop to shop in return. So that's kind of encouraged me to add everything I wanted to order on eBay together. So I made the order, and lo and behold, here's my perf, guys. Here's my perf, my Ramz Lattafa, my new baby. So guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be unboxing it with you. This is the one I brought from Nigeria, can you see? And it's still inside. I don't know if you can hear the sound. So it's still remaining. Actually, like I said, I've been using it carefully, and I've been economizing the usage. So now that I have another one, I can spray, and I know that it's always at the back of my pockets. I can always get it. So today we'll be unboxing this together. I know you want to know the price. I'll still talk about the price. But what is quite important now, let's see what is inside. Maybe it's fufu or ever. If you shop in Computer Village, you know what I mean. So let's see. This is the unboxing that I'm doing, guys. I think it's high time I get this up for unboxing. Yeah. Ta-da! So you can see, hey, this perf, Yoruba will say, "Okojo well." Oh my gosh! So no difference, guys. My perf is here, no difference. Let me spray. Let's see if it's oh my gosh, baby, do it. Baby, do it. Guys, oh my god, I feel like on top. This is it, and this is the. So is there any difference? Let's see. It's the same, guys. It's really the same. That's why I like EK. Tell me why you wanna count the EK. This is the new one. This is the old one. You can see. Oh my god, same. No story, and I believe this will even be more original than this. So let me see. This is the new one. This is the old one. So I'm trying to see. It's the same, guys. It's the same. Guys, you the perfume. Natural spray for external use only. Made in UAE. 80% volume. Guys, see, I found out it's slightly different, and I know this one will be more original because it's got the logo. Can you see this logo? This is the logo, and this is another logo. Oh. So guys, this is what I want to share with you. And don't forget, I'm now an Amazon associate. So for every of my video, please be checking the description button. I'll be dropping link to all these things. So to cut the long story short, I got this pen for almost £14. Yeah, 13.95. Yeah, that's how much I got this pen, and it came freely, like free shipping. There are some that you get underneath it, you will find shipping fee, but this one is free shipping. I got it at my doorstep. So guys, now I can walk majestically in the UK. I can spray anyhow, knowing that with £14 in 3 days, I'm going to get my perf. See you later, guys. Got my perf. I got